If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed that would grow into your wealth. Rich women don't rush because rushing is not a time problem. Rushing is a nervous system problem. When you rush, your brain thinks it's in danger. Cortisol spikes, adrenaline spikes, your body enters fight and flight mode. And guess what? A body in that mode cannot receive abundance. Receiving requires safety. Your brain literally cannot enter abundance perception while in survival mode. You cannot magnetize while you are tense. You cannot attract while you are rushing. Wealthy women move slower, not because they have nothing to do, but because they refuse to let the world force them into low value urgency. Slow movement is equal to regulated nervous system. Regulated nervous system equal to wealth magnetism. This is neuroscience. When you slow your breath and your movement, your brain increases alpha waves, the brain waves of clarity, creativity, intuition, strategic thinking, and executive decisions. There are the brain waves that create wealth. Not panic, not rushing, not speed. Calm creates money. Wealth lives in the parasympathetic system, the system that allows receiving, expansion, pleasure, vision, and discernment. This is why rich women can make bold decisions from a grounded place, while everyone else is burning themselves alive trying to keep up. Speed is a trauma response, slowness is a wealth response. So, today, walk 10% slower, talk 10% slower, eat 10% slower, move your hand with softness, let your breath deepen. Every slow movement tell your subconscious, I am safe, I am in control, there is enough time, I live in abundance, and your subconscious creates accordingly. You don't slow down because you are behind. You slow down because you are above. This is how a rich woman calibrates, not through force, but through frequency. Don't move like you are trying to catch your life. Move like your life is already catch up to you. Because rich women don't rush, they magnetize. Rich women don't rush because speed is not strength, speed is survival. Rushing is what the nervous system learned when it didn't feel safe. Fast walking, fast talking, fast decision, that is not being productive. This is being in fight or flight. And a dysregulated nervous system cannot receive wealth. You cannot manifest from panic. You manifest from regulation. This is brain sign. When you move fast, your brain shifts into high beta, the stress frequency. Your body thinks something is wrong. Your intuition shuts down. Your creativity collapses. Your prefrontal cortex, your decision making center, goes offline. That's why rushed energy creates mistake, not magnetism. Slowness is not laziness. Slowness is not self trust. Rich women move slower, not because they don't have time to do, but because their nervous system is not begging for survival. Their peace reveals their beliefs. I already know I am safe. Time belongs to me. Life supports me. I do not chase any desire. I receive them. Slow movement is a communication to the subconscious. I believe in abundance. Urgency is a communication to the subconscious. I am not enough yet. And your body believes what you act like. That's why embodiment matter more than affirmations. A woman rushing through her morning routine is not the same frequency as a woman who moves gracefully throughout her day. The wealthy woman's power is not loudness, it's her unshakable calm. She walks into rooms slowly, she speaks with pauses, she breathes deeply, she chooses, she never reacts. She's not trying to catch up her life. She's not trying to catch her life. She knows her life is already catching her. So, today, practice this. Before you stand up, pause 2 seconds. Before you answer a question, inhale first. Before you walk, soften your shoulder blades down. These micro pauses are how you train your subconscious into wealth identity. Money gravitates toward people who embody stability because a wealthy nervous system is a wealthy woman. Not later, now. Wealth is not the reward for slowing down. Slowing down is the frequency that unlock wealth. Move like the woman who already has the life she dreams of because she doesn't rush, she receives. Thank you for being here.